So the arithmetic sequence U1 is 1.3, U2 is 1.4, UK is equal to 31.2.
Yeah.
Find the value of K. So just apply the formula UN is equal to U1.
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, so UN is equal to U1 plus N minus 1 into D. So UK basically,
find a D first.
you have to find a D first. So your D,
U2 minus U1. So that's
perfect, very good.
1.4
U2 minus U1, 1.4 minus 1.3, that's
0.1. Now you have that, you plug it into your UK.
correct,
So
very
UK
good.
is equal to 1.3 plus K minus 1 into 0.1.
So UK is 31.2, correct?
Yeah.
Is equal to 1.3 plus 0.1 K minus 0.1.
The answer is 300.
So 31. How?
It's GDC.
Okay. Yeah. 3. What is the answer? K is equal to
300. I put it in GDC.
300. Okay, fine. Put in GDC. If it's that, yeah, it is 300 indeed. Part B.
Yeah, part B answer got. So SK.
SK is sum of
300.
Sum of 300 terms.
So basically, you do
N over 2.
You could use the one who has a final term. Because you know it.
U1 plus UN. You have the final term.
Exactly.
So 300 upon 2. Correct?
1.3 plus 31.2.
So that's how much?
4875. Couldn't choose.
4875.
So that I got till then. Now next part.
Consider UN of the sequence. Correct? UN is less than equal to K. Fine. Let F be the sum of the terms for which N is not a multiple of 3.
So 300 is a multiple.
Correct? Show that F is equal to 3240.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, not a multiple of 3. So first, can you find the multiples of 3?
Like in general.
No, in this case, up to this.
What do you mean?
Consider the terms UN of the sequence. See, 1.3, correct? 1.4.
Oh, from what's given.
Yeah, obviously we are looking at what is given.
1.4 is not a multiple.
So that's what he's saying.
Oh.
So find F, consider UN of this sequence, correct? For N is less than equal to K.
So N is less than equal to K.
Means
it's not the same as UN is not less than equal to K.
Means your number of terms are less than 300 basically.
Oh.
The maximum number of terms you take. So you have this 300 terms. Now for this 300 terms, let F be the sum of the terms of which N is not a multiple of 3. This is not a multiple of 3.
Oh, I got confused. I thought they were saying that
we know the sum of all these 300 terms.
Yeah, we have it. We found it. 4875.
4875. 4875. Can I find the terms which are multiples of 3 in this?
The terms.
The actual terms which are multiples of 3. What is the first term that will be multiple of 3? 1.3, 1.4. Is 1.5 a multiple of 3?
Yes, it is.
How?
Because 5 plus 1 is 6 and it's divisible by
1.5 is not a multiple of 3. Multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, 9, correct? 9 and so on.
Oh, you can't because 3.
And what is the last multiple of 3?
What is the last?
30. Because 31.2 is the final one. Correct?
So why can't you 31.2?
It's not a multiple of 3. Array, does it come in? Say the tables of 3. Will 31.2 come in? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 tens are 30.
Within what's given you 5.
Within what's given you 5. Can you find the sum of these terms? How many terms will this be?
10.
10. Can you find the sum of these terms? S of 10 terms will be 10 over 2 U1 plus UN.
Yeah.
Correct? So that's 5. 5 into 33. 165. So your F will be 4875 minus 165.
Why?
Okay, you have sum of all the terms. You got the sum of multiples of 3 If you want a sum which are non-multiples of 3, you subtract it.
Okay.
So 0, 1, 7, 4. Correct?
But the answer would be 3 because 0.
So then we made a mistake somewhere. We missed out somewhere.
The method is basic.
No, but we'll have to do it. No? And infinite, but this is what you need to do. I mean, the method is this. I don't know, there's something which is wrong which I didn't realize. Now, an infinite geometric series is given by S infinity equal to A plus A upon root 2 plus A
You
upon
have to
root.
use this formula, right? You can't use the regular formula.
Find the largest value of A so that S infinity is less than F.
You know F is.
So I'll take 3240 as my F.
Yeah.
Now sum of my geometric series.
Must be less than.
My first term is A, correct? My common ratio is A upon root 2 into 1 upon A, second term upon first term.
Yeah.
This is second term upon first term. So that's 1 upon root 2. So sum of infinite terms is u1 upon 1 minus r.
Yeah.
Correct? u1 upon 1 minus r. Yeah? This should be
less than 3 to 4.
This would be less than 3240. Solve for A basically. So A is less than.
Is equal to, right?
No, you can just cross multiply. So 3240 open brackets 1 minus 1 upon root 2. So 948.974. Now A should belong to positive integer. So what should my A be? 948.
But you put it equal to, right?
Yeah, but I just cross multiply. There's no equal to another. Now what you have here is, think in terms of the vertex. It will be easier for you to think. For f, you've been given fx is equal to x minus 1 the whole square minus 9.
Yeah.
If I want to write fx, your gx is given to be what? Minus x minus 3 the whole square plus 1.
Yeah.
Okay. They're saying that from f to g, there's a reflection.
Yeah.
So what? That's a reflection in the
x-axis.
X-axis.
Sine of y.
And then the horizontal translation. So think in terms of the vertex. So here your vertex is what? 1, 9.
Yeah. Negative 9. 1, negative.
1, negative 9. Yeah. Sorry. Shit. What is happening? Same writing, it goes there. It's not writing. One second. So you have 1, minus 9. And the vertex is what over here? 3, 1.
Yeah.
Now from 1, you think of the vertex. From 1, 9, how will you go to 3, 1? From 1, now if you're looking at the horizontal translation, you look at the x values. So how much will this be? 2 to the right. So P is equal to 2.
Oh, I will give you this.
Now look at for this. What do you look at?
You subtract
minus 9 to 1.
10.
So 10 up.
10 up. So positive.
10. So Q is equal to 10. Point
That's
of.
why I said 5 marks.
But you have to understand. Na? Now what you have to do is you have to find a point of intersection. So you do x minus 1 the whole square. You equate to 2.
Yeah.
So this is x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 9. This is minus x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 1. So x square minus 2x minus 8. This is minus x square plus 6x minus 9 plus 1. So this is minus 8 and minus 8 will cancel off. So 2x square minus 8x is equal to this. So remove 2x common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4.
This is all.
So point of intersection is x is equal to 0.
0.
So see, the first one, u1 is equal to 4, r is equal to 0.98.
Yeah.
Find the least value of n, you have to find out. N has to be an integer.
Yeah.
Correct? So your Sn is greater than 163. Now first of all, the Sn formula is u1 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. Is there any formula booklet? For r less than 1, you have to use this. So u1 is 4, 1 minus 0.98 raised to n upon 1 minus 0.98.
Okay, but let's say that it's a infinite geometric sequence. Why are you using the formula for finite?
Because you want a sum to be greater than 163. You're finding the least value of n. If it's infinite, then you know the. So then they're infinite to be, but this is not the infinite sum given. So your Sn, so this part, correct, should be greater than 163. Put this in solvent with equal to and solve it. That's it. Just put in solve. If you put in this, your n, so it's equal to 163 at 83.52. I want greater than that, so I'll take n is greater than 83.52. So what is the least value of n I'll take? 84.
If it was less, then you would take 83.
Okay, now the publisher of a newsletter uses the following models to estimate monthly sales revenue and the monthly cost of production C in terms of the number of people who subscribe to the newspaper.
X.
So X is the number of people who subscribe, R is the revenue, and this is the cost. See, and all are both in thousands of euros. The values of N for which the revenue equal to cost are called break-even points.
So
revenue and cost are equal.
Yeah.
Write down in terms of X to find write down an equation in terms of X to find a break-even point. Equate the two.
So you just leave it like that, or just put X on one side?
Put X on one side. It's always better. Good manners to do that. Table manners, so equation manners. So 0 is equal to 300 plus 15x minus 35x plus 0.25x square. So 0.25x square minus 20x, correct, plus 300 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
That's your equation.
Oh, so X.
Find the number of subscribers at a break-even point. So you just put in your calculator and get the answer for this. Put in solvent and get the answers for this.
What's the equation?
What's the answer you got?
The answer is 20,60.
20,60.
Yeah.
No, your quadratic answer, what are you getting?
But it's all.
Solvent, you got x is equal to 20 or x is equal to 60.
Yeah.
It's not 20,60.
Oh.
Correct? So at this 2 points, this would be write down number of subscribers and this at the break-even points. Yeah, so either 20 or 60.
So
The break-even points, yeah, you write both.
Profit is equal to revenue minus cost.
So profit is equal to revenue minus cost. So profit is equal to revenue 35x minus 0.25x square minus cost 300 plus 15x. So 35x minus 0.25x square minus 300 minus 15x. So minus 2.5x square plus 20x, correct? Minus 300. Huh? Find the number of subscribers yields the maximum profit. So sketch this graph and see when it's max. Sketch this on your calculator. So go to menu, go to graph. Correct? So minus 0.25 x square plus 20x minus 300. You sketch the graph. If you can't